So it's time for another giveaway, and this one will be fun because it will be open to anyone who's watching the video. So if you're on the other side of the world, you can enter, and it's not limited to just US residents. So we'll start with some plant markers, some gloves, this little mini greenhouse, and some wind chimes. Now, I love this little mini greenhouse. I've used it in a lot of what are called my how to grow videos. If you missed those videos, I'll leave a link below so that you can check it out. These little greenhouses have a watering tray with the cells and then a little plastic dome that you can put on top to get those seeds up and growing. And I want to let you know that I just picked this up at Dollar Tree. So at my local Dollar Tree, their gardening items have just arrived and these sell out pretty quick. So if you have a Dollar Tree nearby and you want to try your hand at growing vegetables and flowers from seed, you may want to pick one of those up. They also had some seed starting mix too. So if you want to enter the contest, just leave a comment below this video and I will randomly select one winner, and I will announce that winner in about 7 to 8 days from the day that this video is uploaded. Good luck to all of you. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.